Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline in Atlanta, and today I've got another Tesla Cybertruck. We just finished putting PPF on, and I love this color. I wanted to share this with you. You know, in the Tesla world, Ultra Red has been super popular on the Teslas. On my own personal Model S Plaid, I put our Uber Red, which is our version of Ultra Red. Now, say hello to TMaxx Mars Metallic Red. This is a little bit darker than Ultra Red. It's definitely metallic. It's got just the right amount of metallic to it. It's a rich, darker red, and I really think this looks cool. I'm digging these new colors for the Cybertruck. We've done a ton of wrapping and PPFing, and the black is super popular, white has been popular, but red is coming on strong, and not just basic reds, but Ultra Red, Uber Red, and now Mars Metallic Red. Latest color from TMaxx, and this is PPF. So you've got PPF protection and the color on this truck. With Mars Metallic Red, it just depends on how the light hits the truck. Because it's metallic, it's gonna change a little bit depending on how much sunlight or how dark it is. You're gonna see different angles. This thing has a little bit of a different shine to it. Pretty cool stuff. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Come back soon because we have a lot more Cybertruck content coming your way.